The art of irony through point of view. Hello, language learners. Today, we dive into an exciting element of creative writing, using point of view to enhance irony. By understanding this, you'll appreciate literature and storytelling in a whole new way, and possibly even experiment with it in your writing. Point of view, often abbreviated as POV, is the perspective from which a story is told. Here are some primary types. First person. The narrator is a character in the story and uses I or we. It's a personal and immediate POV. Example: I watched the sunset, thinking of better days. Second person. Addresses the reader directly using you. This is less common but offers a unique interactive experience. Example: imagine you're standing at the edge of a cliff, wind howling past. Third person. Narrator is outside the story. It can be limited, focused on one character, or omniscient, knows everything about everyone. Example: limited. She gazed at the horizon. Example: omniscient. Everyone in the village felt uneasy that evening. Irony is when the opposite of what you expect to happen occurs, creating an element of surprise or humor. There are different types, but the most common are situational irony. The opposite of what's expected happens. Example: a fire station burning down. Dramatic irony. The audience knows something characters don't. Example: we know there's a twist ending, but the protagonist doesn't. Verbal irony. Saying one thing and meaning another, often sarcastically. Example: looking out at the pouring rain and saying, "What a beautiful day." When combined, point of view and irony can create unforgettable storytelling moments. Here's how they intertwine. 1. First-person irony. Since we're limited to the character's knowledge, the revelation of irony can be a shock both to the character and readers. Example: I always thought she disliked me, only to discover she'd been leaving those anonymous gifts on my desk. 2. Second-person irony. Directly involves the reader, making the ironic twist more impactful. Example: you think you're the hero of the story, but what if you've been the villain all along? 3. Third-person irony. 4. Limited. Can reveal irony from the focused character's vantage point, making it personal. Example: Jake believed the town had abandoned him. Little did he know, a surprise party awaited him. 5. Omniscient. Offers broader irony, as the narrator knows all and can juxtapose multiple characters' ironies. Example: while the king celebrated his victory, the rebels plotted just miles away. So, there we have it. By understanding and experimenting with point of view and irony, you can add depth, humor, and unexpected twists to your stories. We hope this video illuminated these elements for you. Keep reading, keep writing, and remember, every story can be told from a myriad of angles. Until next time.